Hi everybody, my name is Susan Edwards and I'm here to tell you a story. I'm going to get emotional because this is really exciting. So for years and years we have had one construction company after the other and they've all been very, very disappointing, and I'm sure that you've all been there. And we've had people fly by nights, they come do half a job and disappear, take our money and disappear. Really sad stories. But through the years we have learned that we really need to do our research. So I took it upon myself to research. And every time I saw a truck that passed us with a telephone number on it, I would call them and talk to them, but it never felt right. So one day I was on Facebook and I found Annie, Annie Good. And she was just so sincere and so caring. And she had such good information that I thought, I need to really not only like this, but I need to love this on Facebook. So I started hitting all kinds of hearts on Gill Construction Solutions because Annie was really presenting so well. And all of the times that I was hitting like and love, all these things, they were wondering, who is this woman? Because they've never done any work for me before, you know. But man, she's really here with us. And Annie called me and we talked. And Annie wanted to know, like, what could she do on Facebook to make a bigger presence? And so we talked about that. And they started doing that. Stephen started walking through some of his construction sites. Annie visited the construction sites. And she helped on demo day. Really inspiring. Gill Construction Solutions. They are your construction company. They really get it done.